Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete a Gmail account or how to delete Google account. I mean, if you want to delete your Gmail account, you have to go to your browser first, then write Gmail and log into your Gmail account with ID and password. After login to your Gmail account, you have to click on this profile icon, which is top right corner. Then you have to click on this manage your Google account. Click on this. You'll find here the third option, data and privacy. Click on this. Now you have to scroll down till you find this more option. Under this more option, you'll find here delete your Google account. Click on this. Now it will ask you to download all of your data before deleting your account. If you want to download it, you can click on this link and download it. And then you have to scroll down and click on this to yes, and you have to click on this delete account. If you click on this delete account, your account will be deleted within next 30 days. Okay, if you don't come back on this account within next 30 days, it will be deleted. So this is how you can delete a Google Gmail account. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.